video. As you guys can see, we got tons of boxes over here, and me and my brother are gonna be building a box truck. And we got the base of the truck right here. It looks big, but it's gonna look better when we're done with it. And then these are the two little windows, and then let's get it. Okay guys, we got this box opened up for the wheels, and we're gonna be making one wheel here, one wheel here, one wheel here, one wheel here.
Yep. Well, first we gotta cut each board.
First we gotta cut board.
Each board is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sections. Let's go.
Oh shoot, you almost fell. I did fall, didn't I?
Cut straight up.
Okay guys, we're done. Now let's start tracing the wheels. Okay guys, we're gonna be tracing the bull, and my brother's gonna be holding it down while I trace it. Keep it still. Okay guys, I'm going to be tracing the other wheel now. I'm going to trace it over one more time, guys. Make sure I traced it goodly. There you go.
Good. Got 2 circles. Next one.
We're gonna trace the third wheel.
Second set of wheels.
The second set of wheels.
Alright, pick it up.
There you go.
Pretty good circle. Alright, let's do the next one.
Here, down.
Alright.
Wait. There you go.
Alright.
Let's start cutting. Guys, we're done cutting out the wheels, and our stepdad poked a hole through these so we can put it inside this.
Put what in there?
Put the nail, and these are really dull nails, and I got gloves on, and a parent is watching us do this, and then we put it through inside, and it's on, and then we spin it.
Yeah, it's gonna be on better than that, so let's get them put on.
Okay guys, we're done putting the wheels on, and this is what it looks like. Let's see if it will hold up on the ground.
Put it on the ground. Oh yeah.
Good.
Oh yeah, that's pretty good.
Really good.
Oh yeah.
Okay guys, we made this little hood for where the engine goes, and we're going to be putting it right here. Okay guys, we got the engine cover on, and we're going to be adding some more stuff to the truck.
Yeah. Where the exhaust pipe?
The exhaust pipe
Where the
is
exhaust pipe?
right here.
Right there. It's going at the back.
This one goes in the back, and this
Where the
one
one to the
goes
front?
right here.
Yeah.
So we're going to start gluing them on. Guys, we're going to be using nail glue to do this.
And this is the what? The pipe?
One of the exhaust pipes.
The thing they do right there. That's enough. And hold it for like 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's gonna stay.
And I gave it a little dent for it would look like it looked better. Now time to put this back one on.
We gotta put the back one on too. All right, hold on. Let's put the box.
Guys, this truck.
And let's look at it from the side right quick. This is the side view.
This is the side view.
The hood.
Guys, don't you think this is really sick? You guys bet if this video probably hits like 30, 40 likes, we might add more stuff to this box truck.
Let's go. All right, let's put the stuff on the back.
We're doing the back exhaust pipe. 1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, it should be on there.
5. There you go. It's on.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. It's nice.
Yep.
Next, let's see what what else we gotta do.
We should put some like seats inside.
Seats inside? Yeah, let's find something to put some seats inside and then show them.
Guys, we just put some seats inside the truck from the old cardboard that we already used from the scraps, and it's going pretty decent. Guys, we just made the front windows, and they're flappable. We can open them and we can close them. Hello. Okay guys, we're making a door and we got almost it all figured out, and we
Put it up there, let's see how close it is.
we're really close.
Probably gotta cut a little more off. And we just did the top too.
Yep.
Places that down. All of this is getting colored on, but we're gonna do that in other videos that you guys are gonna say what colors you want.
Yep. Guys, we got both of the doors on, and it's pretty dark inside. And this is the other door. And we're gonna add a little bit more stuff, and then we're done. Guys, we're finished with the truck, and this is the finale of you guys seeing it. And make sure you tune in for the next video, us coloring and spray painting this box truck. Okay, first of all, we had to retape the exhaust pipe because it fell off. And then we got the doors with the seats inside. And then we got the wheels that we put on. Then we got the front of the truck. First of all, this is the engine hood right here, and then the windows that you see out of when you're driving. Then that, and then the other door on the other side. The same thing on the inside. And then the back. This is the second exhaust pipe.
Yeah, it gives it a lot of speed.
You guys get this video to 15 likes. You guys are gonna see us spray painting it and coloring the box. We out.
Stay up in my lane, keep going, no pulling over. Feel like I'm driving, feel like I'm driving, feel like I'm driving, feel like I'm driving.